Här lite grann här.
I'm not good with these kind of boxes.
Jag måste hålla två. Så jag tar jag.
Yeah, but it's hard. This is harder.
Jag
than
menar
it
två, en och en. What does it say?
I don't know, but I like these sticks.
The,
These
the
are my
sticks we need. No. So we have the sticks,
This is perfume.
the home perfume, and we have the Imperial Rose. Intense rose notes are combined with fresh watery elements. Traditional green tea adds natural elements. The composition gets a warm and elegant touch by musky and powdery base. This is notes. So, and I think we're going to do like this. So, inspired by authentic Eastern traditions and created to bring peace to your soul, our private home fragrance collection suits your senses with exclusive, allowing you to transform each space into welcoming retreat. So this is really nice. So I have the sweet jasmine, so now I'm trying the Imperial Rose. So finally open it. It was hard to open. I'm gonna take out this. So I'm going to put it in here. So. I'm going to